Question number 1 is related to which of the following राजस्थान इंक्लूडेड द वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट में इंक्लूड किया गया है, दैट इज़ नोन एज द आम्बेर फोर्ट को. ठीक है. द फोर्ट जूनागढ़ का जो फोर्ट था दैट इज़ रायगढ़ राइसिंग impressed by strong natural security system which famous for Abul Fazl. All other forts are unclaimed while the fort of armored. तो ये है रणथंबोर का फोर्ट. विच फोर्ट इज़ नॉन एज द गढ़ बीटली का जो फोर्ट है दैट इज़ द तारागढ़ अजमेर में है, उसे कहते हैं. अबाउट विच फोर्ट अबुल फजल रिमार्क इट इज़ श्राइन एट द हाइट दैट द लुकन फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप टर्बन फॉल ऑफ. तो टर्बन फॉल ऑफ वाली बात जो है दैट इज़ कुंभलगढ़ का फोर्ट. गढ़ बीटली कहाँ सिचुएटेड है, ये है हमारे अजमेर में. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज टूरिस्ट प्लेस ऑफ अचलगढ़ इज इन सिरोही. who was the chief architect of कुंभलगढ़ fort, that was मंडन. which historical heritage site of राजस्थान has not been included UNESCO, that was हवेली ऑफ आमेर, अभी तक नहीं. which of the following tourist attraction center not situated करौली district, that was नाहरगढ़ कुंड is not. which is the given as the extension of Vindhya range of the Rajasthan, that is Mukundra hill. Junagadh fort is located at, that was at the Bikaner. And Navlakha Darwaja, it is in the Ranthambore. And Dhanwan fort, Dhanwan is the desert fort. Katargarh is known as the Kumbhalgarh का पार्ट था पहले ही. About which fort the Abul Fazl remark, it is situated the such height that when the looked as it turban falled off, that was the Kumbhalgarh fort. Kho, that was as a Jaipur. And Achalgarh was in the Sirohi. Kamalnath was at the Jaipur. And now Ramgarh hill is situated, that was in the Bara. Which of the highest peak of the northern Aravalli range of Rajasthan, that was the Raghunathgarh. इन द फॉलोइंग करना है. सबसे पहले है ऋषिकेश, देन सज्जनगढ़, देन गोगुंदा, देन है बानगढ़. द सराउंडिंग हिल ऑफ द उदयपुर बेसिन आर नोन एज, दैट वाज द गिरवा की हिल होती है. फोर्ट ऑफ द कोशराय पैटर्न इज सिचुएटेड, दैट वाज नोन एज द शेरगढ़. हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस ऑफ द बानगढ़, दैट वाज द अलवर के अंदर है. वो वाज द चीफ आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ द कुंभलगढ़ फोर्ट, दैट वाज द मंडन. द फोर्ट विच was not built by the Maharaja Kumbha, that was Bansrodgarh. Name was Jalore. Jalore was in the Jalora. Alwar was in the Barwada. And Jaipur was Barwada. Alwar was in the Bangarh. And सीकर जो है वहाँ पर है रघुनाथगढ़. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट है आइडेंटिफाई करने हैं कुछ जगह को. मूसी रानी का जो महल है, तो मूसी रानी वाला जो है वो है हमारा अलवर में. ठीक है. फिर गोपाल सिंह की जो छतरी है दैट इज़ इन करौली. राम गोपाल पोदार इन रामगढ़. बट राम गोपाल पालीवाल की छतरी बीकानेर में नहीं है. पालीवालों की छतरी जो है ये आई थिंक उसी एरिया में है, लेकिन ये बीकानेर में नहीं है. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्या है हमारे पास, ऑन द विच ऑफ द गणेश्वर कल्चर. गणेश्वर जो है कांतली रिवर हमें पता ही है. हेयर आर द नेम ऑफ सम छतरीज हैं और उसके प्लेस है. तो छतरी ऑफ 80 पिलर दैट इज़ बूंदी है क्या, तो ये मिसमैच. 84 पिलर है बूंदी में. तो कुंवर पृथ्वीराज की छतरी कुंभलगढ़ में है. ब्राह्मण देवता की मंडोर में है और मामा भांजा की जोधपुर में. ठीक है. स्कल्पचर पार्क कहाँ पर है, दैट इज़ इन द मंडेरवा पैलेस. वेयर इज़ द पटवों की हवेली. पटवों की हवेली कहाँ है, ये है जैसलमेर में. ठीक है. द सीनापत ऑफ द मेवाड़ रूलर राणा अमर सिंह एंड करण सिंह लोकेटेड, इट वॉज इन द आहड़ उदयपुर. Jaipur city was constructed by whom, that was the Jai Singh II. When was the Jaipur city established, that was 18 November 1727. The plan of the Jaipur city was designed by which architect, that was the Vidyasagar Bhattacharya. Shri Ajaypal was organizer of city, that was the Ajmer. ठीक है. Now Alwar district establishing by whom, that was establishing by the Rao Raja Pratap Singh. When was Udaipur established by the Uday Singh, that was 1559. Bikaner was established by whom, that was Rao Bika. Bundi was established by whom, that was Devhada. And Bundi by Devhada. Which city is known for the हवेलियों का नगर, that was रतनगढ़ city. Where is Alwar is बदगुरजानों के पुराने महल. that is the Rajgarh. Where is the Umaid Bhawan Palace situated? That was Jodhpur. Windsor Castle, that was known as Udaipur. Where is the Musi Maharani ki Chhatri? That was Alwar. Where is the Vinay Vilas in the Alwar. Where is the Sheesh Mahal in the Jaipur. 84 खम्बों की छतरी, that was in the Bundi. Prahari Minar, popular with the name of एक खम्बा महल, that was Maharaja Ajit Singh. देवकुंड की छतरियाँ, that was in King of Bikaner. Whose statue present the Vijay Stamp for the Vishnu. It is for the Vishnu. Where is the archaeological site of the Rang Mahal situated? That was Hanumangarh. For reconciliation of the Mughal, European and Rajput architecture, Mubarak Mahal is the Jaipur. Where is the Krishna Vilas? That was in Udaipur. Which is castle that been built like fort? So that was the Juna Palace, Dungarpur. ठीक है, इस डीप हॉल है यहाँ पे, बॉचल डोर. Well furnished with the number of the windows and the ventilators, that was a Junjunu. Which palace built the Maharaja Jai Singh for Duke of the Edinburgh? So that was the Sariska Palace. The gallery which palace is known as the भित्ति चित्रों का स्वर्ग. भित्ति चित्रों का स्वर्ग जो है राजमहल बूंदी में है. ठीक है, कहाँ है? बूंदी में. Where is the सुनहरी कोठी? सुनहरी कोठी टोंक में है. Famous historian Ferguson gave that gate Ferguson window palace, that was 2 Rajmahal Udaipur. Where is the रूठी रानी महल? That was the Ajmer. एक थम्बिया, that was डूंगरपुर. In which of the Rajasthan काट का रेन बसेरा? That was the Jhalawad. Okay, now जामा मस्जिद, it was in the महाराजा बलवंत सिंह जो थे उन्होंने establish किया. Where are the valley of town clock town situated? That was कोटा. Where is the दुल्ले शाह मजार? That was केरला. पाली में है दुल्ले शाह का मजार. Which Sufi saint is famous by the name of the दाढ़ी वाले बाबा? दाढ़ी वाले बाबा is the Sheikh Farid. Where is the Usha Masjid? That was Bayana. Famous अढ़ाई दिन का झोपड़ा, that was the विग्रहराज फोर्ट. सहेलियों की बाड़ी, that was 2 उदयपुर. The सागर सरगासुल्ली, that was the जयपुर. समाधि of the मंडल, that was the राणा सांगा. ठीक है, now next. Which palace of Jodhpur famous for ancient king of the gardens? And that was a Mandor. Who led the construction of the Jeswan League? That was Jai Singh. क्षत्रियों का बड़ा बाग, that was the जैसलमेर. Jaswantharda, that was the Jodhpur. Naida situated, that was the Alwar, famous for the painting. Now where is the Gora Dai ki Chhatri? That was in the Jodhpur. Gora Dai ki Chhatri in the Jodhpur. And Shahi Ghantaghar, that was in the Dholpur. मुरल पेंटिंग्स जो थी फाउंड इन द छतरी सिचुएटेड राजस्थान, दैट वाज राजा मानसिंह की जो पेंटिंग छतरी है वहाँ पर है मुरल पेंटिंग्स. विच बावड़ी इज़ फेमस फॉर द मैजिकल आर्किटेक्चर? दैट इज़ चांद बावड़ी ऑफ द दोसा. विच सिटी राजस्थान नॉन सिटी ऑफ द स्टेपवेल? दैट वाज द बूंदी सिटी. ठीक है. द पाल ऑफ द राजसमंद लेक वॉज कंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय होल्डिंग द फ्लो ऑफ रिवर, दैट वाज द गोमती की पाल. विच बावड़ी वॉज कंस्ट्रक्टेड क्वीन ऑफ द महारावल Askaran and the Premal Devi? That was the Nolakha Baudi and the Dungarpur. In which of the lake the ashes of Mahatma Gandhi were immersed? That was Nakki Lake. The foundation of which lake was laid by the Duke of Connaught? That was Fateh Sagar. World biggest epigraph is situated? That was situated in the Rajsamand Lake. Which is the build the Khurram, son of the Jahangir, by the administrator? So that was known तलाबे शाही. चूज़ द फॉलोइंग. गढ़ सिंगसर बीकानेर में नहीं है. Where is the लाल मंदिर इन द तिजारा अलवर. जंतर मंतर, दैट वाज बनारस, जयपुर एंड मथुरा. विजय स्तंभ, दैट वाज महाराणा कुंभा ने इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट किया था. द स्तंभ इज़ नॉन एज ए एनसाइक्लोपीडिया ऑफ द इंडियन स्कल्पचर, दैट इज़ विजय स्तंभ. शारबाग कोटा, दैट वाज द शाही शमशान भी कहते हैं. Which is the famous garden is saved by the fragrance of the white sandal tree, that was known as the Harsukh Vilas Garden. Where is the Gadsingsar सरोवर situated? That was जैसलमेर में है. गेप सागर, that was डूंगरपुर में है. चांद बावड़ी अबानेरी, that was in the दोसा. Which administrator of the Jahangir led construction of the Tabqat-e-Shahi Dholpur, that was known as the Sohail Khan. Where is the Chand Baudi situated? That was the